Hey guys, my name's Matt. It's warm today. Just so I'll let you know, I've got my new Sherpa 12 volt air compressor. Pretty excited. It was meant to be an unboxing, but unfortunately the box tested its toughness, so hopefully the compressor does the same. But anyway, this is what you get in it. Nice big air hose. Air hose attachment. Blower. You get a couple of fittings here. Look like mounts and a fuse and some air filters. That all came in a nicely well packed bag. And the air compressor, which looks tough as nails. So that's it. It's even got a little tank down there. Got your pressure gauge, release valve, big heavy duty clamps, which are great. So yeah, pretty excited to see how this baby goes. Sherpa Big Air. So they reckon it's got a winch motor in it, so it should be good. 100% duty cycle on 80 psi. See how she goes.